The Ottoman Empire fell apart. Jews from oppression to planning. During this time, atrocities against Jews increased in Europe. The Holocaust occurred in Germany. But there is another truth, that the Christian world itself did not want the Jews among itself. So the solution was found. Give them a separate state, so that the problem would also be solved, and the burden of the Crusades would also be lightened. First there was talk of Uganda and Sudan. But the Jews chose Palestine based on the belief in the Third Temple, Israel alone, that still hurts today. This plan was made like killing two birds with one stone. On the one hand, Muslims should be confused religiously and politically. On the other hand, Jews should be expelled from Europe and settled in the Middle East. And then in 1948, Israel was established. Israel became the dagger of the Middle East. That was embedded in the chest of peace. Even today we are seeing Gaza is bleeding. Muslims are dying. And the major powers are only expressing concern. Abraham Accords, peace or another war? In the past few years, a new peace story has been written in the name of Abraham Accords. A number of Arab countries have recognized Israel. But viewers, is this a peace treaty or a new chapter in a war? Is this the preparation for a new world order? An order in which the balance of power is completely in the hands of the West. America wounded but dominant. On the other hand, America is torn by its own internal problems. Economic crisis, racism, gun violence, Biden's weak government, and now the unconventional leadership of capitalists like Elon Musk, who no longer just need business, but decisions for the whole world.